My play today is Spotify doubling down on podcasts in an effort to get an edge in the streaming landscape. Revenue topping the street's estimates while posting a wider than expected loss. Total monthly active users, 433 million. That's up 19% from just a year ago. Premium subscribers growing 14% from a year ago to 188 million. On the earnings call, CEO Daniel Ek saying that Spotify is, quote, preparing as if things can get worse, but he did add that there has been no material impact on user growth amid the economic slowdown. You can see the reaction in the stock today. Shares up just about 12%, Dave, up just over $116 a share. So for Spotify, at least, they're not seeing a slowdown just yet.
There's a lot here to unpack. To your point, to hear the CEO say it's hard to reconcile a dark and gloomy macro environment with what we're seeing because the everyday story is very positive. I don't know if that's entirely true, if theirs is indicative of that shift from spending on goods to services, right, which of course Spotify is. But just more on this, a remarkable increase in podcasts inside of this. 400,000 more podcasts added in the quarter than there were before. So we're at 4.4 million podcasts on Spotify alone. I had no concept. Do you know what the number one is now? It is past Joe Rogan in many markets. I had not heard of it. It was a little quiz to see if you knew it. I didn't know it.
I would have guessed Joe Rogan.
Batman Unburied is become the number one podcast nationwide in many markets. It's a flip on the whole script about Bruce Wayne doesn't actually remember being Batman, and he's a forensic pathologist. Just wondered if you had heard this.
I hadn't, but maybe I need to check it out if it's that popular.
I really dug into the story.
It doesn't really seem up my alley, but you never know.
But one last thing on Spotify. They were down 55% year to date before this, so it was easy to leap over that ladder.